Filling out my bullet journal for March 10th. Marking today as a 4-star day. A busy but fulfilling one. Moderate today, had a few stressful moments, but nothing I couldn't handle. Had a scary dream last night, wish I could remember why. Partly cloudy today, kind of matched my mood. 49 degrees, cool, but not too bad. Read 20 pages today, slowly working my way through my book. None today, grateful for that. And that's how I fill my yearly trackers. Love these trackers? You can find them and tons of useful bullet journal goodies over at my Etsy shop. Go get yours and make your Bujo sparkle.